W, win.
Make a W. Win.
When I did the N, I went n, n, n.
When I did the N, I went n, n, n.
Win.
Win.
Here's the second line. When will we ever win?
Here's the second line. When will we ever win?
Here's the third line. When will we ever win? I put
Here's the third line. When will we ever win?
3 words together. That is very, very hard.
I put 3 words together. This is very, very hard.
And I actually don't recommend that you try to speak 3 words. Try to speak 3 words. Try to avoid, at least in the beginning, speaking 3 words.
Try to avoid, at least at the beginning, speaking 3 words.
Only speak 1 or 2 words at a time. Let's try it again.
Only speak 1 or 2 words at a time.
Again. When will we ever win?
Try it again. When will we ever win?
It sounds like that, congratulations. If it doesn't,
if it sounds like that, congratulations.
And you had trouble, especially with the ever.
But if it doesn't, especially if you have trouble with the ever,
don't worry about it. 2 words will work.
Don't worry about that. 2 words will work.
How would I do it? Only 2 words?
How would I do with only 2 words?
When will we ever win? Or
when will we ever win?
When will we ever win?
Or when will we ever win?
Those were 3 examples.
Those were 3 examples.
Remember, every time you say a word, you must be in some position before you say that word.
You must be in some position before you say that word.
We're going through the 5 steps.
We are going through the 5 steps.
Number 1 was to speak more slowly.
Number 1 was to speak more slowly. Number 2.
That gives you time to get into one of the 9 or 10 positions.
Number 2. That is give you time to be in one of the 9 or 10 positions. Whatever they are.
Number 3. Take in air.
Number 3. Take in air.
So your hand should be out in front about this much.
Your hand should be out in front of you about this much of an angle.
At an angle. You can't see it, but my elbow is at an angle.
You can't see it, but my hand are at an angle.
My hand is in front of me at 45 degrees.
My hand is in front of me for about 45 degrees.
It's not straight up. It's not like this. It's at an angle.
It's not straight up. It's not like this.
45 degrees, like that. 45 is so important.
It is at an angle 45 degrees. Like that. 45 degrees is so important.
So as you bring your hand up, it's
So when you bring your hand up, it's no.
It's very gentle. You can't hear it. You hardly feel it.
It's very gentle. You can't hear it. You hardly feel it.
Air comes in. You're taking in air. That's number 3.
Air come in. You take in air. That's number 3.
Number 4, there's a picture of a cloud blowing out air.
Number 4, there's a picture of a cloud blowing out air.
So it says number 4. Force out air on each word to hit.
So as it said, you force out air
The beginning of each word. So here's what it
to hit the beginning of each word.
does. Fast. Fast.
So here what it does. Fast. Fast.
Air is coming out. Air came in. Air goes out.
Air's going out. Air come in. Air go out.